Honey Creek crosses several rapids in its approach to Turner Falls, a 77-foot waterfall that is one of the tallest waterfalls in the region. As the water, which is flowing primarily from underground aquifers, goes over the falls, something unusual happens. The water is pouring over an unusually shaped, smooth rock cliff of gray-yellow limestone. It's unlike any waterfall you may have seen before. Is this waterfall behaving normally? And why does it look so strange? Here are some other waterfalls. How does Turner Falls look different? Let's get a closer look at the falls and the rocks nearby, down by the base of the waterfall. The rocks at the bottom of the falls have an unusual appearance. There appear to be holes in the rock. What could have caused them? Above on the hillside, there's also a cave, which is also full of these holy rocks. This cave is formed very near to the waterfall. It is made up of limestone, but is very rough and contains rocks with many holes. The rocks under the water of the waterfall are very smooth and appear to be made up of many layers. Perhaps these rocks are forming from the water somehow. The water is flowing from the underground, where it has become charged with dissolved minerals like calcite. A little carbon dioxide creates carbonic acid, which makes the water acidic and keeps the mineral dissolved in the liquid. As the water flows over the falls, it releases some carbon dioxide back into the air, lowering its acidity and causing the calcite to form solid crystals again, or precipitate out of the water. Turner Falls is unique in the fact that, unlike most waterfalls, it is actually progressively building out, laying new layers of rock down on the floor of the canyon above. So over time, it will get bigger and bigger.
Most of the time with waterfalls, what you get is the water will erode and it cuts away the rocks that are underneath, and then as that's weakened, more falls off. So they usually tend to migrate upstream, but with Turner Falls, since this calcium carbonate is deposited, this waterfall instead builds out and migrates downstream.
Where else can we see things precipitating from a fluid solution? What about these rocks in the stream below the falls? Here, calcite has also formed on a smooth surface. We call this smooth form of limestone travertine. This rough rock is full of holes because the limestone precipitated out of the water around ancient stems, twigs, or branches of wood. The holes are where the wood has long since rotted away. We call this rock a tufa.